Guys, you know what? I found a really unique story. I think it's very important information. Actually, for you guys who just started into Hoya, like myself, I'm really amazed about this kind of plants and this species. In the Arrowheads, we know there are a lot of variegations. White, orange, yellow, some are reds. But in Hoya, it is much different. It's not as simple as like that. In Hoya, usually they are starting as a green plants like this. All the leaves seems normal, right? Totally green. But then, even in these species, they can be mutated. They can be grow into a different types and characteristics in this species. For example, they might turn into a full white splash like this. See the color of the leaf? It's not green anymore. It's white splash. But then, somehow, in this full splash leaves, it can be grown like marbleic splash like this. And this kind of splash is the highest grade of Hoya characteristic. It has green, has a white variegation, has a splash, and all the splash surrounding all the leaves. It what make this Hoya rare and unique. But it's not stop there. Some species, when they are growing from green like this, they might be mutated into, it's really unique, outer variegation. Come closer. These leaves used to be green, all the leaves. But you see, in the outer side of the leaves, it grow yellow color. It's the outer variegations. Yellow one. It's crazy, right? How Mother of Nature create these kind of plants. It's surrounding in the outer of the leaves. But then again, after this, some of the plants are mutated into inner variegations. Like this. On this Hoya, the variegation is inside the leaves. As you can see, the yellow color grow in the middle of the leaves. It's totally different than we saw earlier before. So, for you guys who are starting to collecting Hoya, those are the uniqueness of this species. All are mutated from the green basic Hoya. And I have a good news for you guys that we in Indonesia, and especially in Art of the Flowers, we are offering you and will be helping you to get the best Hoyas possible and collect all the type and species. And of course, we will also send to your address with our special supply chains and shipping. Okay guys, I hope this information find you entertaining and will make you guys want to collect more and more curious about Hoya. That's all for me guys. See you again on our next video.